is my husband. And this is him sitting down to watch a YouTube video. He has no idea I filmed without him. Last weekend, Tyler went out of town to go fishing and left me at home all by myself. So I did what any logical person would have done. I came to Universal and filmed a video doing all of his favorite things without him. Our marriage is founded on us pulling pranks on each other, but this might be the most elaborate one yet. I didn't just film a video without Tyler for our YouTube channel. I rented out an entire theater at Universal Cinemark, so the very first time Tyler sees this video, it'll be live on the big screen. Now, this hasn't exactly been easy. First of all, I am the worst secret keeper in the world, and it turns out it's not as easy as you'd expect to create a video that's compatible with movie theater computers, or maybe it's exactly as difficult as you'd think it'd be. Apparently, movie theater computers use an operating system called Linux, which I'd never heard of until last week. And as much as like a Mac and a PC don't like to work together, a Linux is even harder than that. It's like a completely different species of computer. There was a point where I honestly thought we weren't gonna be able to make it work. I was trying to export the video in all different kinds of ways. I was looking for somebody that might have a Linux computer so that we could format the drive. I was calling all of our friends that knew anything about filmmaking. It was a complete mess. I don't even know if we're gonna be able to make this work. Like, I'm so stressed out. I just need a solution. But then Hansel called and saved the day. Hansel is the technician at Universal Cinemark that's helping me pull this entire thing off. And shout out to Hansel for being the absolute best. He is the sole reason that this is going to happen today, so thank you for everything you've done, Hansel. Apparently, there is one auditorium at the entire theater where you can just plug your computer directly into it and just stream from that, and Hansel's idea to do that saved the day. Side note, I don't think you have any idea how awkward it was sitting in a completely empty theater with just me and Hansel watching a 12-minute video of nothing but my face. But after we avoided that disaster, I still had to figure out how to get Tyler to the theater. Obviously, I thought about just telling him that I had bought tickets for us to go see a movie, but it's October and I hate watching scary movies in the theater, so that would be way too suspicious. So instead, I decided to enlist the help of our friend Matt. Tyler thinks he's meeting our friend Matt at the theater to see the movie Exorcist, which he has been dying to see. But instead, when he walks in, what he's gonna find is me with a bunch of our friends and channel members waiting to surprise him. Hey, hi, Tyler! Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I knew something was going on. I don't know.
Well, it is time to sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Okay. What have you done? I like your hat.
I'm here at Universal today to have the best day ever. Tyler ditched me this weekend to go fishing without him. So when this video goes live on our channel, I rented out a theater at Universal Cinemark so Tyler can watch it premiere on the big screen. So I'm here to do all of my favorite things at the parks and some of his favorite things. I've even got some friends and family that we're going to meet up with later, so it's going to be a good day. Tyler's not the only one that can fish, and I'm guaranteed to win.
Oh, gosh. That's more than I caught. That's more than I caught.
So his name is Corn Cake, the candy corn. Apparently the star Tyler. Thank you. He's here in spirit. I tripped.
Did you?
Yeah, there's like the bar at the bottom. They said Tyler's name without him, because that always makes me really happy.
Oh, brisket crate.
Sorry about that. But anyway, I'm missing Tyler.
Okay, you can go get a brisket crate.
So, I have Tyler made so that he could come with me today. Yeah, I was just like sitting above the fridge, just chilling. I was talking to him all afternoon. I don't know what she did for dinner.
Roar, I'm a
His favorite crate while I sit here.
Oh, you're so weird.
I'm going to talk for a minute while this cools off, because when the crates come off, they have like the heat of the sun, a little bit of a slight towards Tyler. I'm here like doing all of his feel guilty that we weren't going to have like an extra video out this week because he was gone and all this stuff. So I'm hoping that by me coming here and recording this video by myself and having it like edited and put together and all of this, that it's going to alleviate some of that guilt. And if there's anybody in the world that deserves it, it's Tyler. I don't know why they always run out of forks at the crate stand. It's like they find humor. So I'm here at the parks doing all of his favorite things without me.
Are you fishing for a new husband?
I mean, maybe.
Yeah. Okay, so you should do some negotiating.
It gets better.
You know what I'm saying?
I mean, I'm open to
Here
it.
we go. You're open?
I'm open to it.
Hi, I'm Mr. Steal Your Girl. Don't forget that, okay?
Tyler better watch out. Beetlejuice is coming in hot. Cardboard Tyler insisted. That's the dumbest thing I have ever done. I also have a lot more respect for Tyler wearing this in the heat. I'm right back. No.
You are lovely cold butter beer right now. Tyler, I hope fishing was worth missing your family in this butter beer.
Obviously, at some point, Tyler's gonna find out that like I've shot this video without him.
Oh,
Right?
yeah.
When it goes live on our channel, he's gonna
right now.
see it. But I don't know, like the exact moment it goes live, Tyler's gonna watch it premiere
It's on the
on
channel.
the big screen. So I'm gonna get him there like, under the guys that were just watching a movie.
You just make it
And
for
when he walks
this.
in, it's hopefully gonna be like a bunch of our friends in there. And
Tough decision.
Cardboard Tyler had a great day. It's like Flat
We
Stanley.
need to get like maybe get a full body cut out and put it on.
Welcome to the Disney Fountain. All right, your wish is my command.
He's not very good.
I was hoping it helped.
thank you.
You're welcome.
Like, I've had an insanely amount of fun with Tyler. I kind of feel bad saying that, and like, I wish that he was here. Like, it would have been more fun. I like spitting.
It's that exit.
Make sure you guys keep an eye out for the video where I surprise Tyler with this one. But in the meantime,
That's this one.
if you guys
That's
want
this
to
one
see
right
us
here.
put Carolina Reaper hot sauce on some of our favorite
I kinda
things
picked up on it.
you can check out this video right here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.
The fountain didn't work at all. Thank you, but also, like, you know that payback is 100% coming.
I had a feeling.
Yeah.
Do you want to see Cardboard Tyler?
Yeah.
I brought him with me.
And then I'm very flustered.
Well, a big thank you to everyone that helped me pull together the original video. And thank you to everyone that showed up today to surprise Tyler.
Thank you.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see y'all in the next one. Bye!
Bye.
I will have some messages to send out. So I'll figure something out. But yeah, now you've given me too much time. Like, you probably had to put this together quickly.
I did. It happened very quickly.
I've got time.